Find all real x satisfying the equation. We will move carefully, step by step, and highlight each key move so you can follow along quickly. Step 1. The domain. The denominator x plus 1 cannot be 0. Therefore, x is not equal to -1. Step 2. Clear the denominator. Because x is not -1, we can multiply both sides by x plus 1 without changing the solutions. This gives x squared plus 2x plus 3 equals 5 times the quantity x plus 1. Step 3. Expand and move everything to one side. 5 times the quantity x plus 1 becomes 5x plus 5. Now subtract 5x and 5 from both sides to make 0 on the right. Combine like terms to get x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. Step 4. Solve the quadratic using the quadratic formula. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all over 2a. Here is 1, b is negative 3, c is negative 2. Substitute to get x equals 3 plus or minus the square root of 9 plus 8, all over 2. The discriminant is 17. So the solutions are x equals 3 plus the square root of 17 over 2, and x equals 3 minus the square root of 17 over 2. Step 5. Domain check. Neither value equals -1, so both are valid solutions. Answer x equals 3 plus the square root of 17 over 2, or x equals 3 minus the square root of 17 over 2.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.